I'm here with Pavel Aramyan, Blockchain Program Lead. Hello, Pavel.
Hello.
Pavel, how does the blockchain of Fastex differ from other blockchains?
So the main difference is the consensus algorithm that we have developed. It's called proof of stake and activity. The blockchain itself is EVM based, but the consensus utilizes a new parameter that we call activity, which allows basically the validators to have smart contracts deployed, and the system will take into account their activity, which is the gas usage of users when they interact with those smart contracts, whenever distributing the chance of becoming a validator for the next block or transaction in the Fastex chain.
When will Fast Token be migrated to Fastex Chain?
So currently we're at the testnet launch event. We'll be running a couple of tests to ensure that everything is working fine. And whenever the mainnet is live, the same day, there will be a way to migrate Fast Token from Ethereum to Fastex Chain via bridges, which is still, I don't want to say the exact date when the mainnet will be launched, but the same day the mainnet is live, then the Fast Token will be able to be migrated to Fastex Chain.
I'm sure there's a lot of anticipation around that.
Yes, we're all eagerly waiting for the day X, as they call it, and hopefully it's going to be in second quarter of this year. So let's keep our hopes up for that.
What are the opportunities that Fastex Chain offers?
So Fastex Chain offers a million of opportunities actually, because the activity parameter is introduced into the consensus. This means a lot of things for validators. For one, this means that network participants will be actively interested in keeping the chain intact, which is a very profound, let's say, issue that many other blockchains, or let's say no other blockchain, has solved. Because technically, network participants are not interested in maintaining this network that they're actively participating in the maintenance of. If you're a miner on Bitcoin, the only thing you care about is the money that you make. If the Bitcoin, let's say, dies tomorrow, you'll just go and mine some other chain. Same is true for any stakeable blockchain. You provide your stake on, let's say, Ethereum, and if Ethereum doesn't work tomorrow and there is a new network, you don't care. You just go to Ethereum, leave Ethereum, go to this new network, and then stake there, right? In our case, it's different. Every validator will be very interested in maintaining the chain because it's the source of their income. Because this is the only chain that works with the proof of stake and activity parameter. And this opens up a plethora of opportunities, including the competitive advantages that users or businesses will be able to bring to the table for their users. So there is a lot. There's actually a lot.
It's all really fascinating. I mean, what are some of the main advantages of Fastex Chain, and what does it give to the Fastex ecosystem?
So it gives to the Fastex ecosystem, well, let's say it gives more recognition, it gives more trust, because Fastex Chain is a part of Fastex ecosystem, and SoftConstruct is one of the big players behind Fastex ecosystem. It would make sense to, whenever we're trying to enter the world of Web3, it would be a good idea to, enter with some kind of a blast, introduce something new to the Web3 world, bring something unique to the table, and hopefully it grows big, and then Fastex Chain becomes mainstream. And if that happens, it's going to be beneficial for the whole ecosystem. It's going to be beneficial for Fast Token. Basically, everyone will be benefiting from this.
And what are some of the opportunities or milestones we can expect in 2023?
So one of the milestones was the launch of the testnet, which is basically done. The next milestone is the launch of the mainnet itself, which is, as I said, hopefully in second quarter will be completed. What are milestones? Other milestones that I can tell you will include working on the performance of the blockchain, because let's be fair, a blockchain needs to be fast, it needs to be reasonably fast, it needs to be reasonably cheap and cost efficient so that people will be willing to work with it. Right now, we'll be using the attributes of Ethereum blockchain, which is not the fastest blockchain out there and it's not the most cost efficient one. But all of these problem solving will be coming later after the mainnet launch.
Thank you so much for taking the time to have a chat with me. This was Spring News. See you next time.